Hi Alpha, why are you sitting alone here?
Hi Arkan, I just wondering can the call stop with us?
What are you talking about? It would be strange, Alpha. Are you afraid if the cult's actually talk to you?
Yes, but I once heard a story about the folks can talk with a man.
I'm a student but actually curious about the story. Can you tell me?
Sure, listen to me, alright? One day, Syekh Abdul Qadir al-Jailani traveled through the desert, reflecting on our greatness. Suddenly, a cloud appeared to shade him, and a voice from it said, "O Abdul Qadir, I'm your Lord, and I have made lawful for you what is forbidden to others." The Saint immediately sped and bravely, "Go away, O enemy of Allah, you are a devil." Many would mistake such an encounter as divine, but Saint Abdul Qadir recognized it as a piece of faith.
Oh, I know this story. This is my favorite story, Alpha. Don't worry. Now I will continue story for you. He experienced all this strange, but instead spat it at it and said, "Go away, O enemy of Allah." The culture said to him, "Abdul Qadir, I have missed 60 walkkeeper before you. Can you recognize me?" Imagine he was able to mislead 60 was fire who passed by and walked in the middle of the desert. Each of one had many practice and worship. Before the strength and strength of religion among humans, perfecting them from lancer and creating harmony, strong unity, brotherhood, love, and compassion will be realized with knowledge that explain of the hymn about the religion of Allah, the Sunnah, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Because as long as religion still exists among humans, so long does goodness exist, and knowledge and religion be separate. Goodness allows these separate. This story was told by Ibnu Goyim in the book Alam al-Nuwaki and also of teacher Syekh Ibnu Bulahi in his book Al-Masab. Thank you, Alpha.
Okay, thank you Arkan.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Artinya